What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smash 8 in the building. Hey, y'all see what's going on. We at my boy Sean shop. We got some special shit to show y'all. Hey, you see what's in the background. Let's get to it. Oh, all right, gang. Y'all see what's going on. So, like I said, we got something special going on. Y'all know I was tapping in. I got my interior done. Got the seatbelts done. All those things are in right now. So you know we about to check some shit out. Man, so my boy Sean, hey, big shout out to him, man, and the gang and everybody else that been working on my car. You know, definitely appreciate it. But nonetheless, we about to get into it. So I haven't actually seen this shit yet. I'm excited as hell. I got a little sneak peek that he showed me, but it was literally a sneak peek. He definitely kind of, you know what I mean, left me on L's with that one. But nonetheless, we about to get into it. So we about to open the door. We got a light already shining in so we can get the whole visual and everything like that. But man, let's see what's going on. Oh shit. Yo, y'all see what's going on. God damn. Oh sheesh. Yeah, this shit hard. Oh man. Hey, y'all hear what going on, man. This is a real ass reaction, to be honest. So this is my very first time seeing it with y'all. And good goddamn, this shit is hard. Bruh. Yeah, this shit crazy. Hold on, let me pause this. Let me be right back. All right, y'all. Y'all see I'm laid back in the back, man, kind of enjoying this shit, man. This shit is crazy as fuck, man. Wow. This is a huge difference. Definitely a huge difference. Hey, man, I've been shocked, surprised, you know, just in awe, really. Just been in awe, man. So I'm going to try to give y'all a little more view on this, try to show you what's going on, what all we got covered, stuff like that. Try to run through that so y'all can see what's going on. And wow, man, definitely, this shit is dope. All right, y'all. All right, we back. So look, as you see, man, what a job. What a damn job. This shit is crazy as hell. We got the light over here to kind of shine up so we can see what's going on. We're going to do a full review on these. But these actually change colors. These actually can do any color I want. We got the remote and all that shit to do that. But stay tuned for that because we're going to do a full review on that. But as you see, we can block that out there so y'all can see what's going on. We got the whole headliner covered. And man, this shit look good as hell. Cause this damn thing was falling, sagging. I had foam flying everywhere in my damn hair and my eyes. That shit was getting annoying as hell. As you see, look, we was able to get the sunroof shade covered. A lot of people don't even do that because they don't even know how to pull that damn thing out. So man, we was able to get that covered. We was able to get this pillar covered over here. This one covered over here. And y'all see these beautiful seatbelts, man. Shout out to Safety Restore on the seatbelts. They did their thing on those, man. I definitely love that touch. How it plays off the suede. Real nice. We got the seat pillars covered. We got these covered. This is suede as well, as you can see. So we got both pillars in the back covered. We got the headliner covered. This covered. The B pillars. Top of the B pillars. And we didn't do the A pillars. We didn't do the A pillars at all, as you can see. But because I kind of wanted to match with the pod over there, so I didn't really want to do that. But I'm low-key debating about this bottom piece. We're going to see about that. I don't know. We'll see. But this shit is amazing. They did a good-ass job, man. Definitely a good-ass job, man. So I'll plug all the information here so y'all can see who did all that. And, man, I'm going to end up checking out of here with this one. So definitely happy with this. Definitely excited, man. Hey, if you like this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Your boy Smash 8 in the building. We out with another one. Hey, appreciate y'all.